In this guide, you'll learn how to fix the Uber login problem if you can't sign into your account. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check for app updates. So launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Uber. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Many login issues are caused by outdated apps, so this step alone can often fix the problem. If updating does not work, the next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Also make sure that any VPN is turned off as VPNs can sometimes interfere with login services. If you are still unable to sign in, the next step is to reinstall the app. Simply uninstall the Uber app from your device, restart your phone and reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store. This helps clear any corrupted files or glitches that might be causing the issue. After reinstalling, open the app again and try logging in. You should now be able to access your account without any problems. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.